Today is the second day of the third snow of the year, if that makes any sense. Here in Seattle, February the 11th, 2019. I just want to enjoy the snow as it would not last. Just take advantage of the few days. The third snowstorm was yesterday, and it let up sometime last night, and it started falling again, I guess this morning. I just enjoy the falling of the snow. Such a pretty sight. The snow falling from the sky is like an unchoreographed ballet. Is it weird putting it that way? I've been shooting videos, at least trying to, over a week now. I recorded my first one that I posted on YouTube the 3rd of February. That was during the first snowstorm. Again, I'm not going to miss any of the beauty of Mother Nature. I'm learning something new every day. In my last few attempts in recording a video, I am technologically challenged, but playing around with my iPhone and its apps, you know, I learn something new, and hopefully I become good at this, especially as I'm enjoying the beauty of Mother Nature right now. The snow that gracefully falls from the sky, that disperses bright light. It just feels so refreshing. I'm in Kenmore, walking to the store. I got off at the wrong stop. And I have to be very careful here. I would always miss this stop. I don't know why. I don't really like this area, but there's a store here that I always go to. Okay, I'm finally just arriving at my destination. I got off at 68 Court Northeast, and the place that I needed to go is at 77th. So I walked, what is that? 68, 9 blocks, 9 city blocks. But anyway, so I'm on Bothell Way. Okay, I'm still in Kenmore. I better not be in Bothell. You know, I walk fast, but I ain't that fast. Okay, I just came from the store. Right now I'm at the bus stop waiting for the bus. You know, I just realized something. The last 2 years, every time it would snow, I would always end up in this area, going to the same, you know, heading to the same store. I mean, it's not a fancy store, but, you know, I guess, you know, since I have a bus pass, I'd rather get on the bus and, you know, travel a little distance, you know, from where I live to this area. It's about 18 miles, 19 miles. Bothell is about 21, 22 miles. So anyway, yeah, it's coming down, and yeah, it's getting colder. I don't know the temperature right now, but when I get on the bus, I will pan it on the other side. That would be east, because on my way here I was sitting on the left hand side of the bus and I was panning it on my side, so that would be west. So heading back, I would be sitting on the same side and you know, pointed towards west. Alright. And right there, that's looking west right there. The other side is, no, right there is looking east. So earlier I was heading north, sitting on the left hand side, so I was pointing it west. So on my way back, I would sit on the same side, left hand side, but of course I would be pointing east. So the other side of this direction is the water, Lake Washington. Yeah, what I just said there was kind of confusing. Even I got confused. You know, sitting on the same side but heading a different direction, you would be pointing, you know, where you're sitting by the window. It'll be a different direction where you were pointing, where I was pointing out earlier. I don't know if that makes sense. You know, heading north, I was on the left side, so I was pointing west. So heading south, I'll be on the same side, left side, so I'll be pointing east. So I hope that makes sense.
Next stop, Kenmore Park and Ride. Next stop, Next stop, Rainier Vista, University of Washington Lake Station.
It's 5:48. I just got off the bus. This is what the street looks like. That's heading towards Capitol Hill. It's the building right here. I might walk around the building. I just have to enjoy the snow while I can. It's not going to last long. I just have to capture the beauty of Mother Nature. Like this. Now, these combat boots come in handy. So I'm home now.